Hi, Dylan Tussler here from KX72.com. Today I'm going to be running through some of the new features and changes to the KX72.com website. This is the home page of the current beta site. This site is available now. You can access it via the URL beta.k72.com. On the home page is the roadmap for development of the site. Once it has all the functionality of the existing site will be switched off and this one switched over, so it's probably a good idea to try it out and have some input into how it works. First thing to see is on the home page is the development roadmap, showing what's being done and the next few things we're planning to do. As you can see, a lot has been done already. Today I'm going to focus on search and search results and see what's new in that area. We'll click on into search, and you can see already that the layout is very similar to the existing search page. Going to have a search for Grevelingen, and we'll run a track date from a few months back, let's say November 5th, 2014. Click search, and here's the results. So we've got 4 tracks back. First thing to see is that the URL for the search page up here now contains all the search parameters, so you can easily bookmark and return to a search page. This isn't possible on the current website. You can also modify the search parameters right on the URL. So say we wanted to run the radius of the search out to 20 kilometers. You could just go up here, change the 0 to 20, press enter, and we should get a search result here which includes all the tracks within 20 kilometers. Easy, so you can bookmark and return to searches easily. Just wasn't possible in the current website. Okay, so also, while the existing site insists you type a location exactly into the search field, the new site does partial matching, and you don't need to type the exact location name, which is here. You can just type a partial match and it will find it. But the closer you are to the actual location name, the quicker the search result will be. In the search results, you can see the results table is very similar looking to the current version, but there are a couple of differences. For a start, the download button is there, but it downloads straight to your computer now instead of taking you to another page to download the file. So let's try clicking that now. Click the download button, and we should see, here we go. Do you want to open or save? So there we go. We're prompted right there to open or save the file straight into the computer instead of being taken to another page. I'll cancel out of that. Also, the results and the overlay are now combined into a single page, which you access by clicking the overlay link. So previously there was a button here on the max speed to access the results and a separate button for the overlay. Now they're combined into 2. So let's have a quick look at one of these. I'll just pick this one at random. This opens up in a new window up here at the top of the page. And here we have the track details and the familiar overlay. So we've got 2-second peak, 5x10 average, the 5 top 5x10 speeds, the 1 hour, the Alpha 500 nautical mile, 100 meter peak, total distance in kilometers. For reference across the top there's the location, the distance, the top speed, and I'll be adding some more information in there in the future. And down here we have an overlay map provided by CCM. So this is new in fact this is in the current version of KX72.com. It's also been introduced here. You can run this out to full page by clicking this button here, and now we've got a full page overlay. You can drag and pan around with your mouse. If you want to tilt and zoom, hold down the control key and move the mouse left and right, and we can zoom in and out with the mouse wheel. It's also got full touch support, which you can access the information for up here. So the mouse controls, touch controls. And there's a number of different layers available, so you can have a street map layer or the toner layer or watercolor layer. You can play around with those and get some different kind of effects. We might show the Bing Maps aerial with labels here. So So this includes street names and things like that. Alright, hit the button in the bottom right corner to pop it back into the screen. And there we are. The KML file is still available to download here and process that tracker in your own copy of Google Earth if you wish offline, and that works just the same as it does currently. So a little different, and I hope you find this more useful. A lot of people have given me good feedback about it. It runs real fast at the moment, so if we come back in here, and I'll just pop that window open again. Results calculated pretty much instantaneously, and the overlay loading fairly quickly as well. We can zoom right in on that overlay, and you can click on points of interest here. That's the alpha 19.79749. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and get onto the site. You don't have to register to use this stuff, but I do encourage you to register for the site because there's a lot of new functionality that'll be coming along that's associated with registered logins, but it's not required right now. And you can search anything that's on the current www.k72.site is also searchable through the new beta k72.com site. Uploading button coming soon. Okay, thank you very much. This is Dylan from K72.